Bibi Ducky. Bibi Ducky of Alif Nagar woke up early in the morning. She happily pecked on her grains and went on her morning walk. She enjoyed swimming in the pond and laid one egg every day when she came out. Bibi Ducky hid the egg every day in the bushes under a tree. She kept doing this and collected 12 eggs. She was then thinking about sitting on them so that 12 cute ducklings would come out of them. The weather was very good that day. It was raining when Bibi Ducky swam and came out of the pond as she quacked. Bibi Ducky fluttered her wet wings to dry them slightly. Then she went to the place where she had hidden her egg. But the egg was not there. Bibi Ducky was most worried. "Where is my 12th egg?" she thought in fright. "Brother Owl, have you seen my egg?" She ran to the owl with glasses. "Egg? What do you mean?" "Bibi Ducky, maybe you have forgotten the spot where you had laid the egg." The owl with glasses looked up from the newspaper and said after thinking for a bit. Bibi Ducky was not satisfied. She was sure of the spot where she had hidden her egg. She ran away from there. She met Popo Panda on the way. "Popo, have you seen my egg?" she asked him worriedly. "No, Bibi Ducky, I just woke up and I don't even like eggs," Popo said as he chewed a bamboo stick. Bibi Ducky asked all her friends about the egg. Nobody knew anything about it. Bibi Ducky went to the tree again which she had hidden the 11 eggs. "Oh my! My other 11 eggs are also gone." Bibi Ducky jumped in fright when she searched the bushes. Not even a single egg was there now. Just then, Bibi Ducky saw Babbler Monkey's tail from the tree above. Now she knew who had taken the eggs. As soon as Babbler Monkey came out of the pond after a swim, Bibi Ducky quietly went and grabbed his tail in her beak. "Oh! Bibi Ducky, what are you doing?" Babbler Monkey screamed. "Babbler Monkey, do you think Bibi Ducky is so foolish? Return my eggs, otherwise I will chew and eat your tail," Bibi Ducky said angrily. Babbler Monkey made a lot of excuses, but Bibi Ducky did not agree to let go of his tail at all. Finally, Babbler Monkey took her to a banyan tree where all 12 of Bibi Ducky's eggs lay safely. "Let go of my tail now, Bibi Duck," Babbler Monkey pleaded. Bibi Ducky pressed his tail tighter in her beak. Babbler Monkey screamed in pain and put his paws together in front of Bibi Ducky. "You did this with me today, but do not do it again or I will cook your tail in an egg omelet and eat it," Bibi Ducky said and let go of his tail. As soon as he was free, he nursed his tail and ran away. Bibi Ducky quacked happily and went to sit on her eggs.